Here we are. Hey there, it's Angeline here, and today we are going to do our gardening updates we're outside, we're doing our outside gardening. So, it's going to be Angeline at the team. We're going through all the updates we need to make. Spring is here and in full session. We have been here. They're growing. The basil is definitely doing good. The peas is doing good. Something dug up the peas. So I'm going to put another seed in there. We got tomatoes and everything doing well. So our turnips, everything's growing in. However, it's about that time to do some plant food. So I'm going to add some plant food to this one. And you turn it in the right direction. We got large tomato plants, small tomato plants, and we got a few other carrots and such growing. And you know, I always use my sitting water, use any empty milk jug, and then add 3 tablespoons in 1 gallon to prevent it from the nutrients from draining out the bottom. So let me turn this one facing. More stuff growing here. Let's add our nutrients in. I do not want it to drain out at all, so I make sure that it's the first watering that I do of the day. And I put just a half amount, let it go soak in. And then we're gonna go to our other one here and do the same. It's about a half of container. So I'm gonna put the rest in there. But let's just check it on this side. These are doing very well. We have our zucchini growing here. We have our potatoes that are just doing their thing. They're growing tall. Our cucumber had a bad cold night. So one of them are doing good. The other one didn't do so well. We have our carrots doing okay. We have our peppers, our tomato, our lemon balm is doing very good. Our lemon balm is growing. That one is something we replanted. This is what I was showing you about the cucumbers. The baby leaves didn't do so well. However, the actual true leaves have come in, and the true leaf is doing very well. I think that baby leaf didn't do good. We had a couple of cold nights. Everything else is growing in healthily. So you can see the potatoes are thriving. The tomatoes are here doing their thing. We're gonna also add some plants today to here. Shake it up. All right. So we got here one. Got 1 spoon in. 2, 3, 4. How much is recommended? And again, I'm doing half in this container and half in the other one, just to make sure it doesn't drain out at the bottom. So I'm only putting a little bit of water to make sure that we don't have to worry about it draining out. So I mix it up. Now we're doing it to half of this. Again, to prevent it draining, we have a space. So this is our 10 baskets. And here's our space right here. Our gap right here between our tomatoes and tomatoes. Now, I don't know how big of a plant broccoli is, but maybe you should put some broccoli there. Thank goodness. All right, so we're gonna put in our cabbage. We're gonna plant a cabbage here. A little baby cabbage out and plant it in here. I think I need it to be a lot higher. So I'm going to add some more soil. I have a more moist soil that I've used. I'm going to use that one right now. Not too much of it. Here. Don't want to bury the cabbage. There. Like cabbage in there. Alrighty. Very good. All right, so now we're gonna also add some water. This is regular water, not the food water. Got regular water in here. All right, and we got put in our cabbage. Thanks for watching. Stay green always. Bye.